Hello, welcome to our biology honors presentation. My name is Austin Chang, and I'm joined by Logan Krolakowski, Mohamed Hashim, and Henry Groh. On December 3rd, 2023, we went to the California Science Center to discover more about biology and the world around us. The first exhibit we went into is the World of Life exhibit. In this exhibit, we learn more about microorganisms as well as the process of evolution. Next, we went into ecosystems to learn more about the world around us, as well as bringing us to the wider range of exhibits.
One thing I really enjoyed about the museum was just how interactive it is. A lot of the exhibits had some family-friendly type interactive element to them. The Los Angeles had a giant map you could look at different exhibits to. There was a news section that me and Mo did too.
My guest today is food scientist Dr. Mohamed Hashim. So Mo, I hear you wanted to talk to us about ugly food. What is ugly food? Is that like...
The polar exhibit was also really fun. We learned how different animals store energy and heat through really cold environments.
We then visited the desert section, which consisted of a lot of desert ecosystems, similar to those found in Southern California. We looked at some tortoise hiding under a hole, and we also looked at a species of ant called the honey ant. This ant colony also has a queen ant who produces eggs. The females go out and look for nectar, and once they collect enough nectar, they become big and heavy. These ants become so swelled up with nectar that they hang on the ceiling and are unable to move. Then a worker comes along who is hungry for food, and it tickles the back of the ant, and the ant lets out some nectar for the worker ant to eat.
Along the many other experiences that we got to participate in within the Science Center, one of them being the coastal zone. Within these zones, we learned much about how oysters survive along the rocks of coastal regions, as well as the tides. Along these many experiences, we got to go to the touch tank and feel the different starfishes that they had on display. After that, we went into the kelp forest, where we learned more about different types of kelps, as well as coral reefs and how they participate within our ecosystem, as well as the importance of them so that we understand how they affect us with the growth of climate change and the destroying of these different regions.
Another really interesting thing about being in the kelp forest was seeing how all the different animals interacted with each other. There's this big aquarium of this giant tube that went kind of 360, and we got to see a bunch of small fish, big fish, tiger sharks, all interacting with each other, interacting with their ecosystem and their environment with the kelp, and as well as we saw jellyfish. It was all just really interesting to me. Bloopers!
You know, when you have your long hair, this would be better.
I love that.
Back up. You just show them
Mo isn't even.
Oh, God. I'm scared! No, to be honest, what are they wearing? Why is he screaming vertical? Horizontal!
Shut up.
Aren't you?
It's just really broken.
Why are you terrible?
That's not that good. Oh, hold up. Squeeze and snip. Squeeze and snip.